So hello guys, in this new tutorial or this brand new video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story not deleting. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it in less than 50 seconds. Or what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now on this page right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it. Now all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on the data usage, scroll down and disable all those options from the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, the background data and the roaming data, and then enable them all like this. Now go back here and click on force stop. After you click on it, the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have to restart your phone. And congratulations, that's it guys for today's video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.